In this short video, you're going to learn how to hide pages in your WordPress site. And what this means is that we're going to teach you how to set up pages on your WordPress site that are active but are not available through your normal site navigation. This means that your site visitors will not find them on accident. And you may be wondering, why would you hide pages in the first place? Well, here are 3 good reasons. First of all, maybe you want to deliver private content to your subscribers. Say if you have a video that you made specifically for your subscribers that you don't want other people necessarily seeing unless they subscribe, you could put this on a hidden page within your website, and then you could send a link to your subscribers so that they could get to that particular video. The second reason is that maybe you want to thank your subscribers right when they sign up. Because with autoresponder systems, what you can do is you can program that button that people click on when they sign up to receive information from you to take them to whatever page on the internet that you want to take them to next. I would suggest taking them to a hidden thank you page on your website. This way you give them the same consistent feel of your website instead of sending them to a thank you page that looks strange to them and doesn't match with your website. The third reason is that you could make special offers. Maybe you want to give a 50% discount on one of your products or services. You could put up a hidden page so that people couldn't stumble upon this particular offer, and if you wanted to deliver that offer to your subscribers, you send them a link. If you wanted to offer this only through Facebook, then you would put a link on your Facebook post. Those type of things, so that way you can make this special offer just to a select group if you want to. So let's take a look at how you set up a hidden page. First of all, you go to your WordPress dashboard and you add a new page. And so I'm already in the pages section, and so I'm just going to add a new page that I'm just going to call test. And that's all the content that I'm going to put in there for the moment, and I'm going to publish this page. And now we'll be able to see if I click on view page that this is actually an active page now on my site. Here's the page that I just created, and we can see that it shows up in the navigation. So now let's go look at how we can hide that. Back from inside the WordPress dashboard, first thing we want to do is we want to know what the number is for this particular page. So we go back to the list of pages, and I'm going to move this down because there's something you need to see right here at the bottom of the screen. And so when I scroll over that test page that we just created, you can see down here at the bottom portion where it says HTTP Obvious Choice Marketing, it tells me that post number is 145. And now that page number 145 is something that I need to know, and I'll show you exactly what we do with that information. So now we scroll down in the Appearance section, click on the Editor. And then this allows us to edit the files for our site. And the file that we want to edit is the header file. So we just click on that, scroll back over here, and so within the header file is where this navigation bar information is located. So we scroll down, and I'm going to show you exactly where it is. Right here where it says div ID equals navbar. That's the navigation bar information. And this particular line of code is what tells what's going to be shown and not shown on the navigation bar. And so normally you'll see this sort column equals menu order. You'll see that, and then after that you won't see the rest of this information that I'm about to show you. Right here, this is the piece of code that you need to add. You type in right after menu order, ampersand exclude equals, and then you list the page numbers that you want to not have in your navigation. And so you can see that I already have a few here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add another page that's not going to be shown in the navigation. And remember, we just saw that that page number was 145. And so I enter that to be excluded with the rest of these pages. I scroll down, I update that particular file. Okay, and so that was the header.php file that I just updated in that navigation bar section. Then we go back to the site, back to that test page, and what I'm going to do is just refresh, and you can see that test is no longer in the navigation. I can click on a different page. Test isn't in the navigation. I'm just going to hit the back button. But up here is the URL for that page, obviouschoicemarketing.com/test-4/. So that would be the URL that I would send out as a link to people if I want them to come to this page. So there you have it. Those are the steps to creating a page and hiding it within your WordPress site so that you can have it not show up in your normal navigation.